having a good day. So today we're gonna make a thread organizer. Hope you enjoy the process. First, it is necessary to give a primer coat on any wooden piece before painting, because wood absorbs the paint if there is no primer coat applied. So make sure to apply a primer coat on any wooden piece before painting. Here I'm using this primer. You can use any primer of your choice. Let's begin. I use kerosene to wash my brush after dipping it in a primer to retain its quality. And the wooden piece is ready now. I let it dry for 2 hours and it's pretty fine now to paint on it.